Nick from I'm from Thailand. Pakistan is my destination. Before I come, I search and review about Ferry Meadow and Karakoram Highway, and my friend invite me to join. Uh, this trip is an impression, food, weather. At night it's very cold because Thailand is very hot, and view is beautiful, impressive for line horse and jeep to Ferry Meadow, and people in Pakistan is very nice with me, and thank you all staff of Golden Adventure for helping me and everything.